Ladies ready? Drummers, huddle to my. Dancer 115. I love the hair.
Yes.
I wish my hair would grow out like that.
I wish you had hair.
Well, when I do have hair, it looks like a chia pet. So, did she do a belly roll?
Yes, she did.
All right. Maruru, dancer number 115. Thank you very much. We're going to move on to our Tamahine advanced level, age 5 to 8.